Welcome back everyone to English Wings. The today's topic is The Sound of Music by Evelyn Glennie, CBSE Class 9. Of the chapter is The Sound of Music summary. Summary will help you to grab a gist of the chapter so that you can understand the chapter well. So the story is divided into two sections, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is all about the Scottish musician Evelyn Glennie, and the second part is about Indian legend Bismillah Khan, a Shahnai player. These two magicians were quite famous in their respective fields, but quite most of us don't know about their struggle. We don't know about the passion, about the determination, about the dedication that they had for their work that made them successful. So we are reading about them today in our textbook. So द चैप्टर गिव्स अस अबाउट द डेडिकेशन जो उनमें था, जो हार्डवर्क उन्होंने किया अपने आप को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए, डिस्पाइट ऑफ द चैलेंजेस दैट दे हैड इन देयर लाइफ्स. Keywords: jostle means push, daunting, difficult to deal, a situation, aspiring means hoping, profoundly means extremely, deteriorated means become worse, percussionist means play a percussion instrument, mainly a drum or a vibrational instrument, sheer means complete, intriguing means fascinating. So, the text of the chapter. Crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. A slight girl looking younger than her 17 years was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibration of the approaching train. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London, and daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deaf. Evelyn Glennie's loss of hearing had been gradual. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. They called her name and she didn't move. I suddenly realized she hadn't heard, says Isabel Glennie. For quite a while, Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers, but by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated and her headmistress urged her parents to take her to a specialist. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. They were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. यहाँ पर एक प्लेटफॉर्म का सीन दिखाया जा रहा है जहाँ पे एक अंडरग्राउंड ट्रेन आ रही है एंड अ यंग गर्ल younger than her 17 years is standing there. She is very excited as well as nervous because she is going to the Royal Academy of Music in London for the first time. So वो एक aspiring musician है. Aspiring means she wants to be a musician, but she is different from other musicians because she is profoundly deaf. But she was not deaf from the beginning, from the birth. She had developed it gradually. So उसने बाई बर्थ वो डीफ नहीं थी, उसने धीरे धीरे ये चीज़ डेवलप हो रही थी. इट वॉज डिस्कवर्ड व्हेन शी वॉज 8 year old. उसकी मदर ने ये डिस्कवर किया था, इजाबेल ग्लेनी ने. when she saw that when she was called by her name she didn't respond. फिर उसने ये चीज़ को कवर अप किया अपने फ्रेंड्स और टीचर से. बट जब वो 11 एज की हो गई तो उसके मार्क्स ख़राब होना शुरू हो गए एंड एवरीवन नाउ न्यू दैट शी वॉज डीफ. सो उसके हेड मिस्ट्रेस ने एडवाइस किया कि दैट शी शुड विजिट अ स्पेशलिस्ट फॉर दिस, एंड स्पेशलिस्ट ने एडवाइस किया दैट हर नर्व हैज़ बिन डैमेज्ड, सो शी शुड use the hearing aid as well as she should go to the school for the deaf. She was not going to give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it too. Most of the teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. Don't listen through your ears, he would say. Try to sense it some other way, says Evelyn. Suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Forbes repeated the exercise and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibration. The rest was sheer determination and hard work. She never looked back from that point onwards. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, she had decided to make music her life. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performances. At the end of her 3-year course, she had captured most of the top awards. So, यहाँ पर उसने अपनी डिटर्मिनेशन को बिल्कुल भी वीक होने नहीं दिया. शी वॉज नॉट रेडी टू गिव अप एट ऑल. सो एक दिन उसने एक लड़की को नोटिस किया दैट शी वॉज प्लेइंग जाइलोफोन एंड शी वांटेड टू प्ले इट टू. सो उसके टीचर्स ने जब ये डिस्कवर किया तो दे डिडेंट इंकरेज हर. दे डिस्पाइट ऑफ बीइंग इंकरेजिंग हर, दे डिस्करेज्ड हर. बट अ परकशनिस्ट, Ron Forms, spotted her potential and he started teaching her. He told her that don't listen to through ears. मतलब आप अपने कान से सुनने की कोशिश मत करो. You try to sense it some other way. आप किसी और बॉडी पार्ट से इसको फील करने की कोशिश करो. And she tried to do so and she was successful in doing so. She started to feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. And इसी तरह से उसने अलग अलग ट्यून को अलग अलग सेंस से फील करना शुरू कर दिया. एंड सून शी वॉज एबल टू रियलाइज मेनी ऑफ द नोट्स एंड मेनी ऑफ द ट्यून्स. एंड ये सब कैसे पॉसिबल हुआ? विथ ओनली द कंप्लीट डिटर्मिनेशन एंड हार्ड वर्क. और उसके बाद उसने कभी भी पीछे नहीं देखा. शी ओनली मूव फॉरवर्ड. शी टूर्ड यूनाइटेड किंगडम व्हेन शी वाज 16 एक यूथ ऑर्केस्ट्रा के साथ. एंड नेक्स्ट शी डिसाइडेड टू मेक म्यूजिक हर लाइफ. फिर उसने रॉयल अकेडमी ऑफ म्यूजिक के लिए ऑडिशन दिया एंड शी स्कोर्ड द हाईएस्ट मार्क्स इन द हिस्ट्री एंड शी कैप्चर्ड मेनी ऑफ द टॉप अवार्ड्स. By the end of this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. And she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some 1,000 instruments and hectic international schedule. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. In our 2-hour discussion, she never missed a word. Men with bushy beards give me trouble, she laughed. It is not just watching the lips, it is the whole face, especially the eyes. She speaks flawlessly with a Scottish lilt. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11, she says, but that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. As for music, she explains, it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. When she plays a xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonances flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removed her shoes so that the vibration passed through her bare feet and up her legs. So यहाँ पर उसने अपने इतने जो बड़ा अचीवमेंट किया उसे उसने कोई एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी नहीं बताया. शी यूज्ड टू टेल दैट इफ़ यू वर्क हार्ड एंड यू नो द वे वेयर यू आर गोइंग, यू नो द डेस्टिनेशन इन योर माइंड, देन यू विल रीच देयर वेरी वेरी सून. सो उसने टॉप पर एक वर्ल्ड मोस्ट टॉप परकशनिस्ट में से वो एक हैं आज के टाइम में. और उन्होंने इंटरनेशनल शेड्यूल, इंटरनेशनल काफ़ी सारे प्लान्स किए हुए हैं. एवेलिन वेरी एफर्टलेसली वो सारे चीज़ों को करती हैं. सो उन्होंने बताया था कि इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट वॉचिंग द लिप्स. वो सिर्फ लिप को वॉच नहीं करती, वो पूरे फेस को ऑब्जर्व करती हैं, स्पेशली आईज़ को. वो स्कॉटिश काफ़ी अच्छे से बोलती हैं बिकॉज शी टेल्स दैट शी यूज टू हियर टिल शी वॉज 11. सो उनका स्पीच काफ़ी क्लियर है. बट शी मैनेज टू लर्न फ्रेंच एज वेल एज जैपनीज ऑल्सो. सो ये तो उनकी सिर्फ और सिर्फ डेडिकेशन और हार्डवर्क है जो उन्होंने इतना चीज़ों को सीखा है. शी टेल्स दैट उन्होंने म्यूज़िक को स्किन से, चीक बोन से, हेयर से, हर तरह से फील किया है. जाइलोफोन की म्यूज़िक को वो अपने फिंगर टिप से फील करती हैं. वो बोलती है कि उनके बॉडी के हर एक कॉर्नर में म्यूज़िक है और वो म्यूज़िक को हर एक कॉर्नर से फील करती हैं. जब भी वो वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाती हैं तो अपने शूज़ को रिमूव कर देती हैं ताकि वो वाइब्रेशन को फील कर पाएँ. Interestingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Says master percussionist James Blades, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. I have just got to work, often harder than classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospital. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. Anne Rickling of the Beethoven Fund for the Deaf Children says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. So interestingly, उसने अपने ऑडियंस को काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंजॉय कराया है. इन जो एक परकसनिस्ट से जेम्स ब्लेड्स, उन्होंने कहा है कि शी हैज़ समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी, बिकॉज गॉड उनके हियरिंग पावर को तो ले चुके हैं, बट शी हैज़ समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी. सो एवलिन अपने जो कॉन्सर्ट्स करती है उसके अलावा फ्री कॉन्सर्ट्स वो प्रिजन्स में, हॉस्पिटल्स में करती हैं. डीफ बच्चों की क्लासेस लेती है, उस पर उनका ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी रहता है. एंड द चिल्ड्रन ऑलवेज फील इंस्पायर्ड बाई हर बिकॉज दे से दैट शी इज़ द रोल मॉडल फॉर देम. एंड जो बाकी के जो म्यूजिशियंस है वो कहते हैं कि इफ़ शी कैन डू इट, वी कैन ऑल्सो. सो इफ़ यू all understood the chapter, if you all like the content and the explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and stay tuned till the part 2 of this video comes. Till then, thank you.